Alright, I just got stopped out of this trade on oil, and here's my breakdown on the trade even though I lost it. Okay, so we just had news about 10:30 a.m. right now here in the United States, and this was my exact thought process behind this trade. So I saw price action basically making this new high. It wasn't there, so we made this new high, and so right when we broke above this level right here of 103, this is a support and resistance level, so this could count as basically an area of interest. I was looking for a break above, a retest, so this was the break above right here, break above, a retest on this area, and then another push higher. Now the thing is, I really got to pay attention to, or when we are trading, the areas of buys. So here is the perfect area for buys. Around 101,500 is the perfect area because it has respected so many times this area of demand. And so I'm just waiting for price either to come all the way to 101,500 or make a high, a new higher low, and then go ahead and make new highs. But not every trade goal as we expect. So I got stopped out on this position right now. And my risk management wasn't the best. I had a stop below this low right here, so stop below this low right here, and then take profit was above this high to a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So I got stopped out right here, and right now can price go higher? I think yes, we can go higher, but now we gotta break this high right here. Hold up. Now we gotta break this high right here. Okay, so when we break this high, next target would have been these highs right here. 30-minute, we closed bearish on the last 30-minute candle, and again, like I said, we made this new low right here, pushed higher. Now we are bearish on the 30-minute, and then this one looks like is gonna close in 2 minutes, basically in this indecisive candle. On the 1 hour though, I see this bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing means that price, we have a lot of buyers in the market trying to push the price higher. Now, after this, like I said, either 101,500 is going to be the best option to enter for buys, or we may go higher from here. But I would love to see some like a better confirmation on a lower time frame, like the 15 or maybe 30 or even 5. Okay, so yeah, take profit would be this high or around right here in the middle of 104, $104. Okay, so let's just review the other pairs that I have on my watch list right now. The other one is gold. So gold, I have no entry on gold yet because last night, so this is what happened Sunday, we pushed down lower all the way down to the 44.20, yeah, 44.20 area right here. Made this to me a higher low because we have a low right here, higher low, another higher low right here, and then we broke above these highs, respected this level of supply on the left, and now we're pushing lower. So I really got to find a good setup on gold, but it's just too much volatility right now, and anything that gold does right now is basically 15-20 points stop. So let's just say if I were to enter like sells, I don't know, right here, stops will be above, so it's 15 point stop. To me, that's above average stop for me. So currently on gold, I'm still bullish on it. I mean, we're making new higher highs and higher lows. So I really got to find a setup that occurs on a pullback confirmation, and then I enter for buys. So like right now, let's just say if I were to enter right here for buys, who stops below this previous low is 30 points. That to me is insane. 30 points is too much. So either I gotta have a really tight stop, like right here, either 5 or below this one, but that's still 20 points, right? From this candle right here to the bottom of this one, that's still 22 points. So for me, too high, not worth the risk if this, because this is still an area of basically tradable area. So price can still come here, maybe all the way down to 45.19, play around and then push higher. So I'm not really interested in having 20 or 30 pips, 30 points stop loss. All right, so go back to the 1 hour. Next one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we again yesterday made new lows of 64, and then we push higher to this area right here. Let's go to a higher time frame. This to me could be a retest on this area right here of supply of demand. So either we are retesting this area to possibly break and go lower, or we have another scenario right here which will be break above this area, and then we also have this trend line retest and then go higher to the 70s. Yeah, for Bitcoin, that's pretty much it. Australian dollar, just no setup. I mean, we have this clean range right here to go, but no setup for me. I'm not really gonna trade it right now. And then we have oil. So oil, yeah. Now 1 hour closed, and let's just see, because I think it's a better setup. Lows are less than 1 point right here for the lows, and then again to right here will be 1.2. So that's about 1 to 2 risk to reward. 15-minute. I don't like these wicks when they do this because I feel like there's still too much volatility. Move this one to here. Yeah, now we have this low to play around with. All right. So that's pretty much it. I mean, took this loss today. If I find another setup, I probably will. I always say this, but if I find another setup, I'll enter. If not, I am done for the day, and no over trading, no over risking. All right. Catch you guys on the next one.